welcome back and thanks for being here. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Scrap metal welding are some of the most fascinating way to turn discarded piece into something new, strong and beautiful. Every piece of scrap metal has its own story. It might have been a part of a machine, a pipe, a frame, or a tool, and now it sits unused, waiting for someone to give it a sound and second life. Welding projects take these forgotten pieces and transform them. What was once scrap become a part of something useful, durable, and even artistic. The beauty of scrap metal welding project is this transformation, the way rough, irregular pieces are joined together, melted and fused to create a whole that is stronger than the sum of its parts. There is something deeply satisfying about scrap metal welding projects. The welder work with what is available, shaping metal that is imperfect, old, or worn. Every cut, every weld, and every spark matter. Each scrap metal welding project is a combination of skill and creativity. The irregular edges, rusted surface, and the varied shapes give character to the final piece. These welding projects show what imperfection can be beautiful, that discarded material can be made valuable, that effort and imagination can create something unique. Scrap metal welding projects are also important because they are sustainable. They reduce waste, they also reduce your carbon footprints, giving old metal a new purpose, new life. Instead of letting it sit in a landfill, every scrap metal welding project is an example of resourcefulness and beautifully. In workshops, factories, and even small home studios, these welding projects are used to create furniture, a beautiful art piece, tools, gates, sculpture, and many other practical and decorative items. The process demonstrates that welding projects are not only about making something new, but also about preserving resources, respecting material, and they have already been used once. They use a rhythm and flow. Scrap metal welding project, the torch ARC cross the metal, molten metal flow into a place, and spark fly in every direction. The sound of welding, the hiss of gas, the crackles of ARC is like a heartbeat of creation. Every scrap metal welding project requires patience and focus. The welder must be careful, plan how each piece will fit together, how heat will affect it, and how the shape of the final structure will be. It is the balance of precision and creativity, of control and flexibility. The finished scrap metal welding project are more than just a functional, they are visually appealing, they are visually striking. The texture of old metal, the lines of weld, the way pieces lift together in unexpected ways, all of it add to the beauty Each scrap metal welding project is unique. No two pieces are ever exactly the same. This uniqueness is what gives a scrap metal welding project their charm. They tell a story of transformation, the effort, and the human creativity. Even the simplest scrap metal welding project carry lesson. They teach patience, problem solving, and how to work with what you have. They show that raw materials, no matter how rough or irregular are, can be transformed into something lasting and valuable. Each welding project is a mix of hard work and artistry. Every spark, every molten seam, every fused joint is a small victory. It's a proof that creativity can turn something forgotten into something remarkable. Scrap metal welding projects are also inspiring. They show what is possible when you combine vision with your skill. Old metal can become a furniture that lasts for years, tools that work perfectly, or structure that capture attention. And a very good started off gossips. Every scrap metal welding project demonstrates that beauty does not have to come from perfection. It comes from effort, imagination, and the ability to see potential where others see waste. A scrap metal welding project of celebration of transformation. They take what is discarded, imperfect, or old and turn into something useful, strong, and beautiful art. The take patience, skill, creativity, and respect of material. They are functional, sustainable, and artistic, all at once. Each scrap metal welding project is a reminder that even a simplest piece, when handled with care and skill, can become something extraordinary. The glow of molten metal, the spark flying from torch, and the shape that emerged from once forgotten scrap all show that welding projects are not just work, they are a creation, imagination, beauty made tangible. In the end, scrap metal welding project remain us that value is not always found in something new. Something it lives in what has thrown away, waiting for the right hand to shape it again through heat, patience, and skill. Scrap metal welding project turned forgotten pieces into a strong, useful, and meaningful creation. They show that beauty can come from rough edges, worn surfaces, and imperfect shapes. Every weld holds effort, every spark carries attention, and every finished pieces stand as a proof that creativity can give a metal second life. Here is our today's